Hello my dudes, Rob from OpenSource EV here, and today we're back again to take a look at the third generation center console organizer. It is by far the largest update that we've ever made to it. Up front, I want to confirm that it keeps all of the good stuff from the prior generations that made the center console organizer the best product of its type. It has a divided section for holding credit cards, RFID cards like the one that you use to start and drive your Rivian, and small card-only wallets such as this one or the Ridge. It has a grid pattern on both sides to allow sunlight, or more importantly, LED light from the inside of the center console in. This allows you to see what's inside of it at night and allows you to position it where the card section is either closer to you or further away. Your choice. The design allows you to reach around the organizer for accessing larger or lesser used items at the bottom of the center console. It slides back and forth so you can access items in the front or at the rear. It retains compatibility with the adjustable center console divider. It also retains compatibility with the TPU rubber center console liner. This generation, though, it leverages everything that we've learned from the prior two versions and is one of the best products we've ever made. New features include an updated mounting system. It is much stronger and narrower to allow more room for your hand when accessing items underneath. The basket is now deeper to allow you to store more items inside of it and to better maximize the space when installed with the center console divider. The grid on the side has been optimized. It now lets in more light during the evening so you can see stuff inside even easier. The edges have been sculpted out for easier access when adding and removing items. The hanger now installs easier and is perfectly aligned to the contours of the front and the rear sides of the Rivian center console storage area. Everything is now made from ASA. The whole product is much more robust and handles temperatures of up to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, which is way hotter than the inside of your Rivian should ever get. Speaking of the inside of a Rivian, let's hop inside one and take a look at the install. Open the top of the Rivian center console. Take the hanger, twist it sideways, and insert it like so. It will bend slightly. Drop the basket in and go. The OpenSource EV center console organizer for the Rivian R1T and R1S is available today for $19.95. Again, this is Rob from OpenSource EV. Thank you for taking a look at this video, and I'll see you again in the next one.